Seems like I'm working on a gigantic head, trimming the hair. Very, very strong. Just keep growing. Oh, I know. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu greetings. Alishan here. Welcome outdoors, and it's day 2 with my 3D printed drone motor weed cutter. This time I'm trying a bigger motor. Okay, so this is a 900 kV Sunny Sky X2814-9 motor with an 11-inch or I believe 10-inch APC propeller, but I have cut it shorter to fit in this casing right here. And why I chose this propeller is because, oh man, it's really very sharp here. I'm using 3S battery still, though this ESC and motor is capable of 4S up to 4S easily, but I'm just gonna use 3S for now and see how things go. Okay, so wish me luck and see how things go. Today's task is to see how much of this problem I can get rid of before this propeller or motor or anything else breaks down. Oh yes, I balanced the propeller after I cut it. So here we go and see how things go. I have here these which are not green. You know, the green ones are actually very easy to cut, but these, the big ones, you know, like a snake. Look at the size and the length of this thing. So these are actually not easy to cut. They're very, very strong. Look how long they grow, man. I mean, they just keep growing in length and they climb everywhere. All right. So far so good. I thought I broke something. Oh, I know. The prop came loose. This screw and the prop came loose and it's off, so it's not a major issue. It's the minor thing. I'm gonna fix the prop again. Look at that. I'm actually able to clean up my problem a whole lot. Well, what do you know? The APC prop is actually holding up. Let me just power off the motor. Never put your hands in here without powering it off, without disconnecting the battery. So look at that APC prop, because it's really sharp, it's actually doing a very good job and it's not breaking. Motor is heating up, but it's in normal temperature, I can say that. Seems like I'm working on a gigantic head, trimming the hair. But hey, look at that. I mean, this is actually not bad for a 3D printed drone motor weed cutter. It's not bad, man. Look at that. I mean, check this out. This was the image before and this is the image now. I mean, this front side I have got rid of. Now those tall ones, they are challenging. Will this survive and cut this all? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I have to go back and recharge the battery. I feel the rotor is slowing down because battery is only 3S and it's running out of battery. But Yeah, I dropped one tire there as well. Does not matter. I can get my screw back and put it back on. But hey, I would say this is some progress right here. This nice big area, if I cut it by hand, man, it will take a lot. And in this heat, not an option. This is doing a sweet job. So this is some progress for today. The next step that I plan to do is create a new rotor that will use carpet knives as blades. I just need to make sure they don't fly off because they are breakable, you know, and if they hit something hard they will break and they will fly off like a bullet. So I just need to make sure how to glue and stick them nicely on my 3D printed blade and turn those carpet knives into the real blades, because those blades are really sharp and there's no way anything like that will actually survive those carpet knives spinning at high RPMs as blades on this one. But so far I'm actually surprised how well the APC propeller is still doing its job. I mean, it not only cuts all the grass but also wild shrub, and also it creates a bit of wind flowing out, so things just fly forward from under it and there's no clutter that is actually jamming the propeller. So, thank you very much for watching this episode. Stay tuned. All the links to print and use this weed cutter are in this video description, and I'm offering an early bird discount for those who are actually going to order it and give it a try. Once you get it, please do share all your work and videos with us, and also your findings regarding what blades are actually working well for you, what motor and ESC combination is working well for you. Stay tuned. I will post more updates. Of course, I have to fight with that giant right there as well, but now I'm happy that I actually have a DIY tool to fight these things and to get rid of this problem. Have fun, people. I'm out.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.